Welcome back to Smaran. I'm Sonali. Today is day 14 of our 30-day mindfulness challenge and we are halfway there. Yesterday for day 13, we focused on evening reflection, unwinding before bed, a practice to help you end the day with peace. Today, we will take a moment to celebrate your progress and reflect on how far you have come. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. As you settle into stillness, reflect on the journey so far. Notice how you're feeling today. What changes have you noticed in your thoughts, emotions, or body since starting this challenge? Now, bring your awareness to the effort you have put into this practice. Acknowledge the time you have dedicated and the challenges you have faced to reach this half point. As you breathe deeply, repeat these affirmations silently to yourself. I am committed to my mindfulness journey. I am proud of my progress so far. I am ready to continue one mindful step at a time. Feel the gratitude for this practice and for yourself for showing up day after day. Take a deep breath in and out. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. You are officially halfway through the 30-day mindfulness challenge. Keep going strong. Each day brings you closer to greater awareness, balance, and peace. How are you feeling halfway through? We would love to hear your reflections in the comments below. Remember, you're doing amazing. Don't forget to check out our playlist for any sessions you may have missed, and we will see you tomorrow for day 15. Subscribe to stay with us for the second half of the challenge, and let's keep this journey going together.